Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Core Plus, and today I will show you how to enable and set up portable hotspot. So to get it started, you want to pull down the notification panel and then scroll to the side, and you'll see Wi-Fi hotspot right here. So you can tap it to enable it by default, however it's being set, but then you probably won't know the password, and you can also hold it to get to the settings of it. And let's just enable it. Okay. And from here, just give it a moment. You can tap on it and get to the settings. And as you can see, that will be the name of the Wi-Fi, which is the Android AP. You can also tap on configure. And here you will see the name that you can change. And then the password. I'm gonna tap on show password. As you can see, you get the password right now. And you can, whoops. And you can tap on it and change it to, let's say, something easier. For instance, 1, 2, 3 to 8 basically. And you can tap on save. And now using this password, I can go on a different device and connect to it. So as an example, I'm actually gonna do that. See, right here. As you can see, it's the first option, Android AP, and I'll just put the password 1 through 8. So like so, if you can see it. And I could just tap on connect, basically connect to this device. And as you can see, now I'm connected. So that's basically how you would set it up and also use this Wi-Fi hotspot. And if you want to disable it, you don't need to actually go into the settings. You can just, let's go back to my home screen. You can enable it and disable it after you set it up by just flicking this thing here and just tapping on it to enable it or disable it. So now it will be disabled. If you tap on it, it will be now enabled. And if you disable it, it will automatically disconnect any device that is already connected to it. So like my phone that was just connected to it, it's now completely disconnected. So yeah, that's basically how you set it up. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.